I know all fare fine. Today we'll read a new chapter of Mohar, Language of Life, Class 5 book. The poem name is The Roadside Locksmith. Okay guys, we start the chapter. The Roadside Locksmith. Chitra Padamavan. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun glare. A mountain of master key heaped on the ground. Some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that cannot be opened because the keys were not there. And if we have a key that is lonely and lost. Don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. Okay guys, the poem was end. और आपको इस वीडियो अच्छा लगी तो लाइक के बटन ज़रूर से दबा देंगे और जिन्होंने चैनल को नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर उसके साइड में जो बेल आइकन होता है वो भी दबा दीजिएगा. ओके गाइस, बाय बाय, थैंक यू, सी यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो.